And this video will show you how to install the Menyoo mod in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Menyoo is a single player mod that lets you spawn vehicle, change weather, and activate special abilities. But remember, this is only for offline mode and you cannot use it for GTA Online. Alright, to install it, you can go to GTA 5 mods. I'll put the link in the description, and here we click download and then click download again. You also need scripthook V. I'll also put the link in the description. Just hover down here and click download. Alright, after the download is done, now what you need to do is go to your GTA 5 directory. You can find it at these locations. Let's start with scripthook V. After you open it, you can go to bin, and here copy these 3 DLL files. Just drag and drop them into your GTA 5 directory. Just like that. And then now you can open Menyoo zip file, and we'll do the same thing. And here what you need to extract is Menyoo ASI and Menyoo stuff folder. So just drag these two into your GTA 5 directory like that, and there we go. The installation is done. Alright, before we launch GTA 5 on Rockstar Games Launcher, you can go to settings right here and then uncheck Battle Eye. And you're done. You can open your game now. Alright, now we're in the game. To open the menu, you can press F8 on your keyboard and you'll see a lot of options here. Player, vehicle, teleport, weapons, weather, and stuff like that.